Hello my dear friends. So let us start with the rectification of errors. Question number 1C of September 2024, which was asked for only 4 marks. So only 4 entries are there. Easy question. So let us see it one by one. Pass the necessary journal entries to rectify the following errors using a suspense account. Already they have directly given that you can use the suspense account. That means they have already prepared the trial balance. See that first one, goods of value 500 returned by Mr. A were entered in the sales day book and posted therefrom to the credit of his account. So goods returned by customer. What is the journal entry? Sales returns account debited to customer account. That is Mr. A. But what they have done? They have credited a Mr. A account and they have credited the sales account because sales day book year end whatever the amount is there in the sales day book it will be transferred to sales account which side credit side because sales is always a income for me which is always created. So sales day book means nothing but sales account credit side. So let us see how to rectify that. Correct journal entry, sales returns account debited to Mr. A account. What they have done, Mr. A account credited and sales account is also credited, so this entry is wrong. So this entry I have to reverse now. Mr. A account is credited earlier, I will debit it. Sales account is credited earlier, I will debit it. So now see entry number 1 and entry number 3. Sales returns account debit, so sales returns account debit 500. Sales account debit, sales account debit 500. Mr. A account debit and Mr. A account credit. So debit and credit ultimately gets cancelled. So ultimately what remains? Sales returns account debit 500, sales account debit 500. Nothing is available to credit me, so I will use the suspense account. So to suspense 1000. So this is a rectification entry for error in point number 1. Point number 2. Rupees 250 entered in the sales returns book has been posted to the debit of Mr. R who returned the goods. Whenever there is a sales returns, journal entry is sales returns account debited to Mr. R account. Mr. R account should have been credited, but what they have done? Debited it. So the rectification entry, correct entry will be R account credit, wrong entry R account they have debited. So reverse this wrong entry. So R account is credited back. So R account credit and R account credit. So ultimately to R account 500, to suspense account is debited by 500. So because no account is available for debiting in the journal entry, to complete this journal entry I will use which account? Suspense account debit 500, R account debit 500. You can show only once as R account 500 rupees. For your understanding I have written it twice. Here R account is credited once, R account is credited twice. Clear? Next one. Third point. A sale of rupees 700 made to Mr. Q was correctly entered in the sales day book but wrongly posted to the debit of S account as rupees 70. See, there is a mistake in the account. Sale made to Mr. Q. What is the journal entry? Q account debited to sales account rupees 700. But while posting it from journal entry to ledger, sales account is correctly posted. But while posting it to the customer, instead of Mr. Q, they have debited it to which account? Mr. S account. And add to it which amount? 70 rupees. What is the actual sales? 700 rupees. So let us see how to work it now. So correct journal entry, Mr. Q account debited to sales account rupees 700 and 700. We will write the amount also in this question. What they have done? They have debited to Mr. S account rupees 70 only, not 700. They have debited only 70. Sales account is correctly credited 700, not an issue. So we have to reverse this journal entry. If I reverse this journal entry, sales account is credited here, it will be debited back. Mr. S account debited by 70, it will be credited by 70. Now see entry number 1 and 3. Sales account is credited 700, sales account is debited 700. So sales account is correctly posted, ignore that. It is crossed off. Mr. Q account debit 700, Mr. S account credit 70. So still 630 is remaining on the credit side. To tally this journal entry, I will make it as a credited to suspense account. So my rectification entry will be Mr. Q account debit, to Mr. S account 70, to suspense account 630. This will be my final journal entry, rectification entry for this question. Then point number 4, last one, total of discount allowed. Discount allowed is a nominal account, it will always shows debit balance. So column in the cash book for September amounting to rupees 350 was not posted. Simple one. So discount allowed, we have to post it on the debit side 350. No other account is available. I will use the suspense account, credit 350. Simple question. Ask for only 4 marks, but it is a compulsory question. Question number 1C. Okay. Sure. Thank you.